let's say you came across this kind of a question. So as I always say that anytime you come across any question, you should be able to identify the topic at which that question fall under. As I went back on my jam likely question with respect to the topics which you are going to come across in your forthcoming examination as a jambite, if you are just coming across this particular video is for you. And how can you tackle this kind of a question? Don't forget, this type of equation fall under atomic structure and bonding. Now, the question goes thus: the molecule with the highest number of lone pair of electron is. I dropped a video last week where I explained how we can identify the number of bond pair, and the number of lone pair, lone pair. Today, we want to check the molecule with the highest number of lone pair of electron is. We don't know it. So the first thing you need to do is option A. Let's see the number of lone pair we have there and the number of bond pair we have there. Okay. The central atom here for water is oxygen. And according to Lewis structure explain covalent bonding, how we can deduce the bonding in between the covalent bond. And as we all know, covalent bond involve the sharing of electron between the same atom or different atom. Now, if oxygen acts as the central atom, so the outer electron of oxygen is 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is our hydrogen bonded. Another what? Hydrogen bonded. So guys, these are the bonding here. So why this is the lone pair, the first lone pair and the second lone pair. So water has 2 lone pair. So we can't say water is the correct answer until we check for the other molecule. The next one for option B is ammonia. So the nitrogen here will be the central atom. So we have this. And the outer electron of nitrogen is 5 because the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number of hydrogen we have here is 3. So the first hydrogen is here. We have this. We also have another hydrogen here and the third hydrogen. So we have 3 bonded atom there, and this we have 1 lone pair of electron. So now the third one, which is the option C, is methane. So guys, the carbon will be the central atom and the outer electron of carbon is 4, with carbon as atomic number 6. So guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first hydrogen is here, the second hydrogen is here, the third hydrogen is here. So, and the fourth hydrogen is here. So guys, 3, 4. So we don't have any lone pair there. All are bonded with the carbon, which is the central atom. So guys, the last one is carbon dioxide. So let's check. Carbon will be the central atom and the outer electron of carbon is how many, guys? Is 4 compared to this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The oxygen is here. The second oxygen is here. So guys, don't forget that the outer electron of oxygen is 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all these, they are bonded together. Now, let's check the number of lone pair we have there. The first lone pair, the second lone pair, the third lone pair, and the fourth lone pair. So we have 4 lone pair of electron, 4 carbon dioxide. Now, guys, let's take a look at what we have on the board now. If you look at what we have on the board here, we have shown the Lewis illustration of the 4 options given to us on the board. The first one is water. We have 2 lumpe. The second option is ammonia. We have 1 lumpe. The third option, which is option C, is methane. We don't have any lumpe there. And the last option, which is carbon dioxide, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lumpe there. And according to the question states that the molecule with the highest number of lumpe or of electrons is what? So water 2 lumpe, wrong. Option B, ammonia 1 lumpe, wrong. Methane, we don't have any lumpe there. While option D, we have 4 lumpe, which is related to the highest number of lumpe there. So the highest number of lumpe there is option D. So guys, if you are just coming across this video and if you have any question you want to ask us, do well to drop it in the comment box.